soul to take. The aroma flows, calming my mind, ready for the world, ready to unwind. Morning coffee, my true friend, walking beside me, energy to lend. With you, everything feels so bright. Morning coffee, you make life light. Sipping slowly, the world moves fast. Work and dreams start running past. With every sip, calmness I find. Morning coffee, you're always kind. Morning coffee, my true friend, walking beside me, energy to lend. Coffee, you make life light. Your warmth touches my soul.